What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is basically us offline. Timzkie Offline is what we're going to call the series. Not really going to be a series, it's going to be us. Obviously, when we're not streaming, we sometimes can't resist the urge to open some packs of Pokemon, or Pokemon TCG cards. So, this is a Shadow Rider Calyrex V-Box that MissRen bought. I'm not sure when she bought this, but it came in our V-Union package. So, we're just going to open it up. It's really nothing special. It's going to come with 2 Chilling Reign. You can see the 2 Chilling Reigns in the front. I remember it also coming with Darkness Ablaze, maybe some Vivid Voltage, maybe Rebel Clash. Something not too exciting, possibly. Rebel Clash would be the not too exciting option. This, nope. Don't mind the setup. It's just a computer right now. It's not a whole realized setup. And see if there's anything. Nope. So when they actually have these little inserts like this to hold the card in place, it actually does a lot better to protect the card instead of having them be held in by like little tabs on the side. It'll damage the card. Not like this card's like super valuable anyway. If it was like a Charizard or something, then yeah, it would be a lot better. I'm sure a lot of people wish the Hidden Fates Charizard tins would have came with something like this, but it is what it is. And here's the oversized cards that you guys have seen countless times, not just on this channel, but oh, it is a Rebel Trash in the back. Rip. It's a code card. I can't leak the code card. So now, we got 2 Chilling Reign, 1 Darkness Ablaze, and a Rebel Trash. I'm going to save the Rebel Trash for MissRen. And let's go for a Chilling Reign, because when we started this channel and started streaming and all, I was after the Galarian Moltres V. Obviously, I've moved on to bigger and better things, but if I ever pulled the Galarian Moltres, the alternate art, I would still be very happy. So let's go ahead and hopefully I didn't bring these sleeves out for nothing. Oh, it doesn't look promising. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Ooh, no leakage. And then after I get these done, MissRen will finish off the rest. Now, moment of truth. Steady camera. Alright, MissRen, here you go. You got a Darkness Ablaze, a Rebel Clash, and a Chilling Reign. Let's open it in this order. Let's do it.
What is this? Rebel Clash. Is it 4?
Always.
Yeah. Energy. Double blade. Capture. Energy. Hi, Egbert. Dervish. Helioptile. It's my first time seeing this guy. Helioptile. Applin. And we have a Hollow Galarian Cursula. Hi. Now Chilling Reign. This is a good card. Like, it's heavy. It's thick. It's crunchy. And it's a green card. I think so. Let's see. Root, Agatha, Sneasel, Snover, Booster, Ghastly, Coughing. Ooh, Reverse Hollow, Lapras, and Aggron. Hi. Nothing. And Charizard is here. Right? At least one. Hi, Egbert. At least one one hit for this box. Pupitar. Uh-oh, that's a bad oh, Gothita. So cute. Vanillite. 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 Bunnelby. Basimian. And Toxicity. And Santicotch VMAX. At least we have one. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you. Looks good. Wee. Okay. That's it for now. Unless... Ta-da! Man, I kinda wanna open more. Meow. Thank you. Good night.